In this video we're going to be replacing this primer bulb which has perished. So we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. We'll start by removing this air cleaner cover. That will give us better access to the top here. First we want to remove this fuel line coming into the top of the carburetor. This is the carburetor, this whole piece that's this bulb sitting on. So we'll just gently pry it off. And these fuel lines aren't looking very good, so I'm going to replace them, but that'll be another video. Once we've got that fuel line off, we'll just go ahead and remove these two Phillips head screws. Okay, once we've removed those two, this whole top piece of the carburetor is going to come away. So we just lift that up and off. Now underneath there's a diaphragm here which is very fragile, so we don't want to damage that. So I always put a rag down just to put this down on the rag. If this does come away when you take this carburetor off, it's just a very thin piece and sometimes it can fall down, that's fine. It will only go back on one way. It doesn't matter how you try to put it on, you'll see that it can only go back on one way. Just make sure it's clean before it goes back on. But for now we can just set it to the side. So I'm going to put this down, face down, and we want to get a screwdriver and gently pry this top ring off, which is the retaining ring. You can get under one side of it and pry it off with a screwdriver, and that whole top piece will come away. Just set that to the side, and now you can see that this primer is very perished and it should just come away. Sometimes you might need to get a screwdriver in there and pry it away. Just remove that can go in the bin. And then with the remaining piece in here, we just want to use a screwdriver, and if there's any little pieces in there, just gently scratch them out, clean it up, and then just get a piece of rag and you can just tidy up the rest of it. Okay, now that that's all clean, we'll grab our new primer bulb and we just simply sit that in the groove, and then hold that with your finger on there, turn it over, and we can put this diaphragm back in place. Now you'll see when you twist it around, it's only going to go one way, so you might have to flip it over. And there's a couple of little locating lugs on there that'll locate it. So now that that's in place, just make sure it's clean of debris before you put it back in there. Turn the whole lot over and you can put that back in place on top of the carburetor. And then we want to get the retaining ring, just slide that back over the top and go ahead and replace your screws. There we go, tighten that down nice and firm. And then we're just going to get our fuel line, connect that back on. Put our air cleaner cover back on there. And that's it. You've replaced the primer bulb on top of that carburetor.